My first tattoo was from a kind of a second father figure who actually used to work for the Hells Angels in Norway, and he bought me my first machines when I first came out of prison. Personally, I just take reference from the people who are directly around me, such as Vitaly, who's in the room next to me, like Slava, people who are also like independent in the industry. Well, outside of the industry, actually, my correction. Actually, what we're trying to do here now is to create again our own authority and to try and make it rebellious again, whether that's lifestyle, whether that's imagery that we're using, the whole lot. It really depends on which personality I am that day, I guess, but I quite enjoy the process of the more violent process of tattooing. So for example, if it's like a big physical piece which actually takes blood, sweat and tears from both parties. So we are making our own authority, we're creating our own authority, and why the fuck should I give my money to a tattoo shop when it's our work?